here cooking with the Texas Hill Country. It's football season, folks, so you know what that means. You're going to have those Sunday football watch parties and you want to have a great dish to serve your guests. Today we're going to make a fast and easy one called black bean nachos. Today I have my little niece Jalen. She's going to be my little helper. Say hi, Texas Hill Country, Jalen. Say hi. So we're going to use these ingredients to make the black bean nachos today. We have some restaurant-style chips. We're going to use some spices. I personally like a seasoned allspice, and this Goya adobe spice is really great to use. We have some Goya black beans. I like these personally because I like the texture and flavor to them, but you can use any beans you like. Also, we're going to add some corn. That's a little special touch that I like to add. A great cut of ground beef sirloin to add a little flavor to the nachos. To give it a little more texture. We're also going to cut up some tomatoes, avocados, and some green onions for some garnish. We're also going to add in some jalapenos, some cheese, and we're going to use some picante sauce to mix in with the beans to give it a little more kick. Cooking, we're going to start our bean mixture, and Jalen's going to pour the beans into the pot. Make sure to drain your beans before you put them into the pot so that you don't have all that extra juice. Okay, Jalen, go ahead and pour them in. Now we're going to get the dish ready to put in the oven. So we're going to put the chips on our oven-safe dish so we can start putting our toppings on top of it. So we're just going to lay the chips out like this in a row all the way across. Okay, so now you want to do the rest of the rows? Mm-hmm. Awesome. It's ready. Now it's ready for the meat. Yay! So now we're ready to put our bean nachos in the oven. You want to heat your oven to about 325. So we're going to open the oven carefully. Okay, now stay back. Stand back. And we're going to put our nachos in the oven. And let's close it up. So now let's check and see if our bean nachos are ready. And yes, it looks like they're cooked. You want to cook them just until the cheese is melted. Now we're going to put some jalapeno nachos to give it a little bit extra kick. And there you have it, folks, a black bean nacho dish that's ready to serve up to friends and family at your Sunday football watch parties. Jalen and I are ready to go. We got our favorite jerseys on from our favorite team player today. So we're going to serve up this in these bowls and serve them to Jalen's parents and see what they think. Okay, take this to Mom. Thank you. So what do you guys think?
This is great.
So that's it, folks, for Cooking with the Hill Country. Thank you, Jalen, for being my helper in the kitchen. Did you have fun making the black bean nachos?
Yeah.
Great. Well, until next time, folks, that's it. Give me 5, Jalen. All right, so we'll catch you next time on the Texas Hill Country. Let's blow a kiss. Say bye, Texas Hill Country.
Bye.
Mwah.